If you're looking for a free, simple and easy to use strategy on TradingView.com that can help you build a small account very quickly, then this video is for you. Thank you very much for clicking on it. I hope you're having a wonderful Christmas. And now it's time to start backtesting and start getting back to the charts ready for 2023. So we're going to jump straight into this strategy. I'm using 3 indicators here and I'm going to show you exactly how to take entries. I'd like to quickly tell you about TraderEdge. TraderEdge is a website that allows you to track your trades, backtest strategies, calculate position sizes and so much more. Thousands of traders are using TraderEdge to get an edge on the competition. The backtester section allows you to easily track backtesting progress and it provides a ton of important data. I've used this to backtest all of my strategies shared on the channel. TraderEdge also provides indicators and strategies that you can start using today to become a profitable trader. On top of all of this, TraderEdge is also giving you a step-by-step guide on backtesting worth $100. You'll also receive a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy which has a value of $240. If you sign up right now, they'll even throw in 4 pre-made high quality strategies that are worth $100 alone. That's $470 worth of bonuses absolutely free, and they offer a 7-day free trial so you can try it out today completely risk free. Make sure you click the link in the description to claim your bonuses now. And back to the video. So to take an entry we want 3 things to happen. The first thing we want to see is a buy or sell indicator paint here. This indicates whether we're taking a long trend or a short trend. This indicator is the Chandelier Exit. I'll go over all the indicators shortly though. The next thing we want to see is that price has closed fully for a sell below this yellow line right here. We can change the colour so it's easier to see for you guys. So I've changed the zero lag line to blue so it's easier to see. So this sell indicator paints here. We wait for the candle to close and lock. So we're now starting on this candle. We can see that price has painted the sell signal and is below the zero lag blue line. The third and final thing on this indicator down here, which is the bull bear power trend, we want to see a red histogram for a sell. So for this sell, we'd enter a trade on the close of this sell signal right here. Stop loss would be at the recent swing high. You can also see down here there's a red histogram right here which indicates that this is a valid sell. And it's up to you, but you can either target 2 times the risk or 1.5 times the risk. If you wanted to be more conservative, you could also bring the stop loss up to here so it's safer. And you'd see you can still target 1.5 and you can still target 2 risk to reward. This strategy is also great for cancelling out bad signals. We can see we had 2 sells here. The buy here wasn't valid because it was still below this zero lag line. But these 2 sell signals we would only be looking at. But as you can see down here, there is no red histogram in the middle. So these wouldn't have been valid entries. This is a great way to avoid ranging markets. Then we had a buy right here. Zero lag agreed, but the histogram down here didn't paint any green. So we would have avoided this trade too. And you can see we had a green buy here that did close above the zero lag line, but there was no green histogram yet. So for a buy, we want to look for a buy signal to paint and lock in with the candle close. We also had the zero lag line right here, the blue one. You can see that the candle did close above this one, so it is a valid entry. And if we come down here, we can see on this candle close, there was a green histogram that painted, so this trade is valid to enter. Open a long position on the close of this candle. We'd be setting our stop loss at the recent swing low, which was this wick right here. But we can see this trade did actually go all the way up to about 4 risk to reward, but we'll be keeping it at 1.5. As you can see, this strategy is a great way to avoid bad signals. This sell signal painted right here, but there was no histogram, so we would have avoided that one. And even with this buy here, as soon as the candle painted and the buy was locked in, you can see the market consolidated for quite a while. Okay, so I'm now going to backtest this strategy 100 times using TraderEdge, so definitely go and check them out. The link is in the description. But hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying the content. And now let's backtest this strategy. So I've now backtested this strategy 100 times using TraderEdge. You can see I had an initial count balance of $1,000 and I took $1,000 in 100 trades all the way to $4,163. We had 58 winning trades and 42 losing trades and a win rate of 58% overall with a profit factor of 2.76. I think this is a very good strategy and I definitely would check this out on some different pairs and different time frames. There's definitely plenty of other pairs that you can check it out on, maybe on NAS or Ethereum or some other cryptos, or even check it out on some of the Forex crosses. But thank you very much for clicking on this video. Please hit that like button and please subscribe. In January 2023 I want to be uploading at least 3 videos a week. That'll be on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. But thank you all so much for all the support you've been giving me and all the love this year, and hopefully next year's even better. If you enjoyed this video, please click this video right here, and I'll see you guys in the next upload.